Okay, so really quickly, I want to show you that you could do these either way. See how I have the blue, the X first, and then the Y? And then here I have the Y first, and then the X. See, basically we're looking at this resultant right here. That is about the same. I did not draw these to scale perfectly as that. But here's the best part. Remember, the initial question was between these two positions. See? I'll trace this. I got them from like here. Pink line on the paper goes right here. And this is just a way to kind of simplify everything that went on this map thing that I drew. All three of these pink ones are the same. Well, this one's kind of crooked, but you know, you get the idea. So that might be useful. Okay, so for our purposes, I'm going to call S displacement S with an arrow because it is a vector, because it's from here to here. See, I've labeled it. Also labeled it here. Now we're going to put this in something called unit. Let me write this in a different color. Unit vector notation. It's basically, if you can see, that R, let's see if it'll let me zoom. See that R equals X plus Y? You're not actually adding anything. If you ever see that kind of form with the X hat and the Y hat, that just means you write, you draw the triangle. Okay, and you write it like this. So S would be our R. It's our vector. S. Now all you have to do is this. Let's do X first. Look in your X direction. You have 12 meters. I don't want to put the meter. I'll show you what to do with that in just a second. Open parentheses, 12. And if it were negative, I'd put a negative in front of it. And that 12 is in the X direction. Do that in blue because that was kind of what I was using. X hat. All right. Then plus, and it would be minus if this were going negative, but this Y is 10. 10, and I'll do orange because this is in the Y hat direction. Okay. And I need the units. So I've just kind of put them outside the parentheses because if you multiplied 12 meters, 10 meters. And that's called unit vector notation. So I'm going to erase this. You would want to label this line with it. Now, I could rewrite all that, but let's do this thing the AP way, which is not lazy, it is efficient. And go, here, that goes there. See, I'll just box that in and said it goes right there, and it does. And if you were ever see that, this would mean that you know that you moved a total of 12, or net, because it's plus and minus, 12 meters in the X direction, positive X direction, and positive 10 meters in the Y direction, which you would know what that meant by this. So that's all you need to do. Do this for your maps.